Good morning students, this is class 10 CBSE and let us study question answer from NCERT book. Let us study the question at the page number 213 from NCERT book. Question number first. Draw a systematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a battery of three cells of 2 volt each, 5 ohm resistor, 8 ohm resistor and 12 ohm resistor and a plug key all connected in series. In series combination we will draw circuit diagram. All resistors are connected in series. Five ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm. This is the a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt. Battery of 3 cells. 1 cell, 2 cell and 3 cell. And a plug key. This is the circuit diagram of consisting of battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each and 5 ohm resistors, 8 ohm resistors and 12 ohm resistors. Have you understood? In this way we can draw the circuit diagram of the given question. Second question is redraw the circuit diagram of question number first. Redraw the circuit of question 1. Putting an ammeter to measure the current through the resistors and voltmeter to measure the potential difference across the 12 ohm resistors. What would be the reading in the ammeter and voltmeter? इस क्वेश्चन में आपको अमीटर को कनेक्ट करना है करंट की वैल्यू को मेजर करने के लिए और वोल्टामीटर टू मेजर द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस के लिए वोल्टामीटर अक्रॉस द 12 ओम रजिस्टर्स. तो 12 ओम रजिस्टर के अक्रॉस आप वोल्टामीटर कनेक्ट कर दीजिए और एंड आल्सो कनेक्ट ammeter to measure the value of electric current. Now let us find out the solution. What would be the reading in the ammeter and voltmeter? The potential difference of each cell is 2 volt. 2 volt. There are 3 cells are used. Therefore, the potential difference is equal to 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 volt. Total potential difference is 6 volt because there are 3 cells are used. Now total potential difference is equal to 6 volt. B is equal to 6 volt and total resistance of the circuit. Total resistance R is equal to, these resistors are connected in series, so equivalent resistance, that is total resistance of the circuit, is equal to 5 ohm plus 8 ohm plus 12 ohm. 5 at 13 12 25 ohm. Now we will find out what would be the reading in the ammeter, that is the value of current. Then reading in ammeter is equal to reading in ammeter, that is current I is equal to, according to Ohm's law, V upon R. The value of V is 6 volt. The value of resistance is 25. Calculate. After calculating, this will be equal to 0.24 ampere. This is the value of current in ammeter I. Now what is the reading of voltmeter? What is the reading of voltmeter across 12 ohm resistors? Reading of voltmeter reading is equal to V3 is equal to I into R3. Suppose that this is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. Now the value of current is 0.24 ampere into 12 ohm is equal to 2. After multiplying, we will get 2.9 volt. 2.9 volt. The voltmeter reading is 2.9 volt and the reading in ammeter is 0.24 ampere. That's all. Next question at the page number 216. Judge the equivalent resistance when the following are connected in parallel: 1 ohm and 10 power 6 ohm. This is the part first of this question. Second part, 1 ohm and 10 power 3 ohm and 10 power 6 ohm. In this question, we will find out the equivalent resistance in parallel combination: 1 ohm and 10 power 6 ohm. Let us see. Here it is given that R1 is equal to 1 ohm and R2 is equal to 10 power 6 ohm. This 10 power 6 ohm is written as 10 lakh. These resistances are connected in parallel combination. So the equivalent resistance in parallel is equal to 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Put the value in this formula: 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10 lakh. After adding, we will get 10 lakh 1 upon 10 lakh. After dividing, we get the value approximately near about 1 ohm, because this is 10 lakh 1 upon 10 lakh. So the value will come near about 1 ohm. Now let us see the second part of this question. Find the equivalent resistance when these resistances are connected in parallel: 1 ohm, 10 power 3 ohm and 10 power 6 ohm. Let us see. Here it is given that R1 is equal to 1 ohm, R2 is equal to 10 power 3 ohm. 10 power 3 ohm is equal to 1000 ohm, and R3 is equal to 10 power 6 ohm. 10 power 6 ohm is equal to 10 lakh. Now these resistances are connected in parallel, so the equivalent resistance is equal to 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Put this value in this equation, in this formula. We will get 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1000 plus 1 upon 10 lakh. After adding, we get after adding we get this will be equal to 10 lakh 1001 upon 10 lakh. After dividing, the value will come near about 1 ohm, approximately equal to 1 ohm. The value will come in point, but we write near about 1 ohm because 10 lakh 1001 upon 10 upon 10 10 lakh 1001 upon 10 lakh is equal to 1 ohm round figure. The value will written in round figure 1 ohm. This is the solution of this question.